Usafe wakaita mistake iyi kana uchinge wafunga kudzokera kuZimbabwe uchinovaka. Hello guys, how are you? Yes, my name is SGP kana Sekurugudo picture. Tiri pano paSekurugudo picture patinokurukura nyaya dzakasiyana-siyana dzine chekuita, yes, of course, nekurarama as a Zimbabwean abroad or whether you are in Zimbabwe. But right now tikutaura nezvenyaya yadai kunetsa, nyaya yerelocation. Yes, iri kutaurwa everywhere on YouTube, but after ndaona several videos of several YouTubers, pane one or two things zvavanenge vari kuita kakusirira, saka ini ndiri kuuya ndichitsvaira ndichita sei ndichinanzvira ndichipolisha those issues. So today I want to talk about nyaya. I want to talk about nyaya ye choice yeimba yekuvaka kana the type of house to build when you go to Zimbabwe. Yes, if you are abroad, let's say you are in Australia, you are in England, or you are in South Africa, it doesn't matter. Relocation does not matter. You are out of the country. Even in Zimbabwe, you can actually relocate from Kwazana to Goromonzi. You can relocate to Domboshava. SAY and to consider as my relocations. It is a change of the location that you've been staying to be staying in another different location. So here is what you need help with, especially when it comes to the choice or the type of house to build. Let's say you want to build a house yekuno kwa relocate uchienda. Vanhu vakawanda vanofungidzira kuti kana uri abroad kana wazoenda kuZimbabwe uri kufana kunovaka mansion. That is what we are going to be debunking kana kuti breaking down. Guys, please stop building big houses. Stop building those monster haunted houses just because you were abroad. Wangori abroad saka wadzokera kuZimbabwe, you now think kuti ndinzi ndavaka imba and ndavaka mansion. No, it doesn't work like that. I've got a trick. I don't know kuti tingati chi. I've come up with something, a formula that you can use to decide which type of house you must be building wherever kwaunenge warelocata uchienda. Anyway, let's break it down like this. So guys, mostly vazhinji vari kugara kunze kwenyika, vamwe vari kugara muZimbabwe chaimo. But mostly chiri kuitika ndechekuti uri kuda kunovaka. The reason iri kuita kuti unovaka ndeyekuti wanga usina pako, wanga uchirenda. Most of the time we choose the places that suits us, but patinotoenda kunotsvaka pekurenda pacho. Mumwe anotsvaka full house, mumwe anotsvaka one room, mumwe anotsvaka hoki, mumwe anotsvaka cottage, mumwe anotsvaka wend house, zvichingosiyana zvichidaro. It means that house yauri kunochoose, one, you can afford to pay the rent house. Number two, you are comfortable in that house. So here is how the formula works like when you are choosing what type of house to build. Anyway, for those who are staying here in South Africa, it is like me. I'm staying in this house. You know, it is a 2-bedroomed. Then there is this large dining room that stretches up to 7 meters by 3 meters. Kumashure kwangu. So kwekutanga uko kune kitchen and kune door unopinda pa dining. Immediately tichingopinda mukitchen, the opposite door is a toilet. Then after that door is a spare bedroom. Then there is the master bedroom just on my side, right here onto my right hand side. I think you left kwako if you are watching this video. So I've been comfortable staying in this house for many years. It's almost 5 years now staying in this house. I feel comfortable. Kana ndikatotaura vanhu kuti South Africa ndo mandiri munomu. I can even encourage friends and family to visit me comfortably, knowing that they are going to be comfortable also as I am in this house. So I already have a formula of what I must be building in Zimbabwe if I am to relocate to Zimbabwe. Saka nyaya iripo ndeye self-satisfaction, kugutsikana nepano pauri kuzonopinda uchinogara, especially mhuri yako inenge ine a certain arrangement yaanga yajaira for so many years. Saka you just need to recreate the same environment in another place. Remember that the relocation is not only coming from outside of Zimbabwe back to Zimbabwe, but you can even relocate from Harare tukadoma from Harare to Chirezi, from the CBD or from any location in Harare, any high density suburb in Harare to the low density or even to Domboshava, kana kuti to Goromonzi or Darwindale. You understand what I'm saying? Saka so kuti the house that was giving you comfortability or the environment or the setup yawangu inayo yawangu ri comfortable nayo, that is the same setup that you just need to nyamura and place in the new place that you are moving on to. Second, that is how the formula works. You understand me now? So as for me, I've been visiting several friends and the gated communities. Guys, those guys who are staying in South Africa, 7,000, 8,000. There's nothing complicated or special about that. It is just a place yakangoti tambanuke, but there is a certain arrangement irikuterwa nevani ivava. So I encourage kuti vani ivava, they must not stress themselves when they go back to Zimbabwe. Voda kunofunga kuti kuzovaka Zimba rine gap rakazodi. Remember Zimba dzandikuti nezvadzo it's ma flats anenge ane ma floors even up to 7 floors up, and you are just occupying maybe 1/10 of that floor in a certain plan, in a certain arrangement. So what you simply need to do is to take your paper right now and draft and draw the arrangement that you have on the floor that you are staying. How do you get into your house? Do you get through the bathroom? Do you get through the dining room, the sitting room, through the veranda? Do you have a balcony? So what you simply need to do is to recreate that same floor in a dining, in a 2 bedrooms. You put the 2 bedrooms in a built-in showers and toilets. You do the same. You are going to find out you are not going to stress yourself. If you have been living in that house comfortably with your kids, with whoever, the moment you relocate from South Africa, England, Australia, Canada to Zimbabwe, you are just going to enjoy the same environment. Maybe that is the only difference you will have. So you don't need to stress yourself and end up wakutanga kuita imba inozoita 16 years iri pa foundation isina kukwira chidziro, not enjoying yourself. You understand how the formula works? So you just need to recreate the environment that you've been living in another place. Right, the reason yanduku encourage this formula or kuti vanhu vashandise this formula, it is because inoita kuti usavake zigumba rimwe rekupenga. In according to me, I'm not saying this is according to everybody, but this is according to me. According to me, what is in the house is more important than the house itself and outside of the house. Most Zimbabweans, most Africans, we don't build houses that makes us feel at home or comfortable. We build houses dzekuti vanhu vekumaraini uko vataure kuti makazoona imba yake, akavaka zimba rakakura, zimba rake rakanaka, this and that. We build for other people, for the opinions of other people. No, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to live under pressure. So free yourself from pressure. Build a house that you feel comfortable in, that you can afford. Don't have to put your extra or surplus money that you can use to actually buy property and enjoy the house from inside. You get what I'm saying here? So enjoying the house from inside is the most important thing. Also investing the remainder of the money into the property that you are going to put inside or even in other projects. So this was all about the video, guys. I hope mabata point yangu, you grip the point, you have the point. Yekuti, do not just build a house to please passers-by. Build a house that serves your purpose, that serves your interest. Especially a house that looks the same like the house that you chose to pay rent out before you start owning your own place. I hope this is going to make a lot of sense. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video, ring the notification bell, and encourage other people to watch my channel. I think I'm going to Zim very soon, and Tembo YouTube channel. So while I'm trying to figure out how to take care of my family or how to earn in Zimbabwe. So this YouTube channel is very, very important to me. Please support me by subscribing, sharing, and ringing the notification bell and liking this video. I'm giving you more and more videos, so don't go away. Also check my previous video on this channel, where I was talking about ndakapotsa ndapiwa pressure nema-YouTubers emuZimbabwe ari kurelocate. Be very, very careful when you make this decision of relocating. Ngaive from your inner self, ngaisabve papressure yaunopiwa on social media. Guys, until we meet again in another video which is coming anytime soon, peace.